Good morning. Welcome to the day in the life of a Pitmaster. And I must say, it is quite a different day than a normal day. So it's not realistic to say this is like every day, but today is a recording day and today is the day that I did not have a good night's sleep. So let's make some coffee first. So let me tell you why I didn't sleep all that well. It's because we started working on a new website. We got a new team member coming in, Ingmar, he started this week, and the whole team got COVID last week. So we're still a little bit restoring, let's put it that way. So we had a whole week of not doing anything, recovering, and at the same time started working on a new website with a new team member, which is a bad idea because the plan was to start off with a design session. And somehow, because of the whole busy thing and COVID, I forgot about the whole design session and we just started talking about what we wanted and what it should look like and blah, 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 blah. And we just went ahead and started building the website. And that was yesterday and the day before yesterday. And so now I'm like, oh man, that's how I woke up this night. I was like, oh man, what am I doing? We gotta stop what we're doing right now. And we gotta figure out first, why are we building a website? And what should that website do? And like, first go to the basics. So I'm gonna go to my whiteboard, write everything down. So at least I get a basic understanding of what I want out of my new website. So I just written down a couple of things that I was not sleeping too well over this night and just like the things I came up with. And that's what happens to me most of the time. The things that I come up with is during my sleep, which I really appreciate. But I've written them down and I think they're a good starting point to move forward from. It's a better start than we had the last 2 days. So I'm going to share that information with my website designer and now I'm going to check on the team, Morrison, my cameraman producer, and Mitchell, my studio manager, to see how far along they came, because in the morning they start setting everything up so we can start working on our recipes. And,
what's up?
Hey, yo.
What's up?
Good morning, man.
We should do this.
Oh yeah, you haven't had it yet. Yeah, so Morrison's the only guy that, well, it's debatable where
Well,
he has all the symptoms, but officially, according to the Dutch, we shouldn't say things like that. No, this is too close to conspiracy theory. But either way, they were setting up the YouTube setup. So now it's time for me to get my things, prepare, and make sure that I have everything so we can start recording our videos. Everything's set up, we got it all ready, and now it's time for us and the whole team. Me and the whole team were just the three of us. But the whole team sounds better. Just the three of us are going to have a cup of coffee and walk through the recipe, because that's an important part of what we do. We have fun during coffee, but we got to go through everything that we're making, because I have all these ideas in my head and I need to transfer them to Morrison and Mitchell so they know what they actually need to film. Just finished the meeting, very, very productive and very good. Morrison came up with some great ideas on how we can bring across the story the best way. And this is really valuable to me. It's like sharing with my team on my ideas on how the culinary recipe works and why I'm creating the recipe and what my train of thought behind it is. And then like Mitchell Morrison helped me like explode the idea to something bigger, sometimes with a controversial edge, but like really creative ways to bring the story across. And that's how the videos become more than just a recipe. So now it's time to get back to what feels more like work. It sounds really weird, but like these moments, like where we talk about how we're gonna make the videos and how we're gonna do things, it feels like having like fun. You're talking to friends, coming up with crazy ideas and well, working the way through, well, just coming up with good ideas. And it's so entertaining and so much fun to do that it doesn't feel like doing anything. It feels like you're wasting time, but actually you're creating the most valuable thing. And that's the story behind the recipe. So now it's time to start cooking. Everything's ready, everything's set up. Doggy's good to go. Aren't you, Eva? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. So now we'll start with recording. First recipe of the day. Let's go. Finished preparing all of the side ingredients, and we're now just seasoning the beautiful tenderloin that we have. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at how well seasoned it is right now. Really, really beautiful. Now I want to start by stuffing this and then grilling it, and we're already getting hungry for lunch, so better hurry up.
So happy with the results?
Oh yeah, this looks so good. Especially on camera.
What?
It looks even better.
On camera, oh, that does look really good.
Look at that.
Ooh, that's good.
But also in real life, it's a marvel.
It's a marvel. It's beautiful.
Look at that. That's a beauty.
Whew. Just finished the first video. It was really, really good. I got so hungry up to a point, and now my belly is full again. Everything's cooked. Now we're gonna clean up. Morrison is gonna. What are you gonna do?
We need a TikTok.
Morrison's gonna upload everything, and oh yeah, we gotta record the TikToks first now. There's a lot of work that goes in this. It's like all these different steps, and you gotta think of every little step. So Morrison does the production, but for me, I have to check a lot of things, like in the recipe, of course, during the cooking. How does the meat look? Is it cooked to perfection? How does it present on camera, for photos, for the videos? And do we have each and every format? Of course, Morrison is thinking about all these steps from the video side, but I've got to think about it from the food side. So that's like a lot of work that goes into it. Luckily we have Mitchell now that also helps us out, especially now that we just all had the virus. So that's like a little thing that just came in, so we're a little slow today, but that's just fine. We got time, and we got reasonably easy and fast recipes, so that's good. The next step is to I'm a bit fuzzy. The next step is that we start cleaning up everything, the big mess that we made, and start prepping for the next video. Sindsdien kijk je de video's, heb ik gehoord. En daarom wil ik jou echt een hele fijne verjaardag wensen met je familie natuurlijk. En hopelijk blijf je nog lang kijken. Groetjes.
So what did you just do?
Just recorded a small video for a long-time viewer of mine. And so in this case, that meant I recorded a happy birthday wish for one of my fans. So we got the whole community around the channel, and I really want to give something back. So every now and then some requests come in, and of course I can't reply to every request myself, but I just try to do as many as I can.
So what's up next?
It's around 3 p.m. and we gotta start the second video. So we had a little break, drink a little coffee, I had a banana just to get a little bit of energy going. And now we're going to make, well, I can't tell you what I'm going to make, but I'm going to make something delicious for our YouTube channel. But I also have to check another thing, which is the grill for next week ready? We got to prep because it's like Thursday. Tomorrow we got more videos coming. So I have to check a few things amongst, are the barbecues ready for tomorrow? Do we have enough gas? Do we have enough charcoal? Is there smoke wood? All these kinds of things. So I'm going to do that in between. I'm going to be baking. Today I'm going to be making, I'll tell you, we're going to be making a meatloaf. So that means once this goes into the barbecue, it needs a little time to actually get cooked. And that's going to give me around 30 minutes. So we'll check back at that time. First I got to start this video. In the meantime, I'm going to make a barbecue sauce, starting with a half a cup of ketchup, a quarter cup of honey. Oh, stop. You see, these things never go as planned. I was considering the honey to be more, how do you say, cooperative. Oh my god, I love this honey. Perfect honey. But things just work out this way. So sometimes when I'm doing the filming, I gotta do things that present well on camera, but that are not necessarily well. And we got goose coming in. So a lot of things that are disturbing what we're doing, but always the picture comes first. So if I gotta suffer for it, or my pants, or my shirt, or like the geese, or whatever, the picture always comes first. But we got the result that we wanted, so we're gonna continue with that video. Well, I'm all sauced up by now. Oh, it's horrible. I got sauce everywhere. I don't think I gotta take a shower to get it off. That's much, it's like, it's everywhere. It's even on the camera right now. So yeah, I do apologize if I'm a bit saucy today. But Mitchell's gotta try, come on man. Like this is, that's when the camera's rolling.
Sit down.
Mitchell stops doing what he does.
Yeah.
It's like, just do what you do, bro. You don't have to watch me. Because
Here we go.
this is what we do afterwards. People, they always ask, what do we do with the food that's left over after the video?
Well, get yourself a Mitchell. and an Eva.
And an Eva.
So this is strong competition
and then
right here.
yeah, this
You see the stare?
you see the paw.
This is a Death Star, Eva.
So that's what's going on. And then get yourself 2 kids and a wife, some chicken, if there's nothing else to do.
But this is really good though.
This is nice, right? This is a good meat. This is the way meatloaf should be, I think. Not the dry stuff that's overcooked.
Super
This is the real good stuff.
tender.
The magic stuff.
Yeah, you're getting some.
So, but that's basically it. That's how the day goes. We're not finished yet. We're just gonna continue to clean up. So I'll show you what happens when we clean up. It's like super fast. That's basically it. Show's over. All I gotta do is press this button. And there we go. That's it. End of the show. See you guys next time.